my rights. I know my rights. No, you cannot. You cannot. You're invading my rights. No. What the fuck?
On May 21st, 2025, at 5:56 p.m., an officer pulled over Taina for erratic driving, but the stop instantly stalled in a driveway when she claimed police couldn't legally ticket her on private property.
10-4.
Roll down all your windows.
What?
You were driving all crazy all the way down W.
No, I was not driving crazy. You see me use my signal, didn't it?
Yeah, and you cut off the big old truck. You were going like
I cut off a big
50
truck
miles
and I
an
got
hour.
in front of him.
License registration, please. For careless
That's
driving.
not. No, I'm parked. You cannot pull me
Yes,
over
I
if I'm
can.
parked.
License
No,
and registration, proof of
no, you
insurance.
cannot. You
Give me
can't
your
pull
license.
me over in my yard, sir.
License and registration, I'm going to pull you out the car.
No, you're not. No, you're not at all.
Give me your
I'm
license and
parked in my car.
registration.
I'm parked on my property, sir.
It is a legal traffic stop. Now give me your license and registration. For careless driving.
You touch your lights when I'm already in my yard.
For something I observed on W. Now give me your license and registration. I couldn't catch up because you were going 60.
I was not going 60.
License and registration.
Going 60. Exactly.
Give me your license and registration. You're going to get out and you're going to go to jail.
No, I'm not. You got to pull me up out of here.
All right.
You strip. But I'm going to give you my license and registration.
I would have greatly appreciated it because you can talk yourself into going to jail right now. What? What's your problem?
You should have did. Back there. You
Yeah. I couldn't catch up.
No, that's not the law.
All right. Well, I appreciate your passion for the law, but you are ill-advised.
No, you're ill-advised because you're using your power.
All right. License and registration.
That's not my car. You can pull it up, run the tag.
License and registration.
Pull the tag.
Okay. License then.
I just sat here and told you that. What I got to keep peeing myself for. There you go.
Good?
Yeah, she was getting it. She was going, she smashed off south on, I think it was T Street, and then she turns right, comes out to W. I catch up, and she was fixing to turn right. She had ran that stop sign already, and then after she ran that stop sign, she decided she wasn't going to turn right anymore. She whipped it left, cut her car off, and then she smashed it again. She's going like 65. I'm just keeping her in sight, and then she cuts off this giant truck and whips down Pleasant.
What's the deal? She got a bad license or something?
I don't know. I'm running it. I don't know what the deal is. Lima 26. Thank you.
Expired or
It's just a normal tag.
Go ahead. We'll get Larry to come over here. Roll out this window.
Hey, stop pulling on my door, sir.
Yeah, open the door. Step out
No,
of the car.
I'm not getting out my car. You do not have the right to search my car.
I'm not
giving you the right. None of that. No.
I'll have to step out.
No, I'm not. I'm not stepping out. Not at all. No, I'm not. No,
You don't.
I'm
You
not.
will be going to jail.
No, no.
Step out of the car.
Tell
You're
me
going to go
what's
to
the
jail.
reason why I got to get out.
3:45. I'm on 7. Step out of the car. Unlock the car.
No.
Okay.
No.
I don't know what happened. I ran it as a 2024 tag and it came up. It looks like
Come out the car. You need to come out the
Bust
car.
my
I'm only
window
going to say
for
it one more time.
Get out the car.
If you don't come, I'm busting this window. You come out.
No, y'all not finna bust out my window.
Yes,
No.
I will.
No. No, you're not.
Get out
For
of the
what?
car. Get out of the car.
For what?
Get out of the car.
For what?
Get out of the car.
What is your probable cause?
Get out of the-
What is your probable cause? What is your probable
Come out
cause?
of the car. Come out. Get out of. I'm not.
No, because y'all is not. You was invading my rights. I know my rights. No, you cannot. You cannot. You're invading my rights. No. What the fuck?
Oh,
What the fuck? Why y'all? Why y'all arresting me? Why y'all doing this?
got weed all in the car.
Can I get my shoe?
No.
Come get me. Come get me. In Jasper, what? I ain't even
You got.
resist now.
Yes, you did.
No, I did not.
Shut your mouth.
I didn't even resist.
Yes, you did.
Crazy. Turn the lights on right there. That is abusing y'all power, bro. Like on G. And you sitting here slanging me and stuff.
Get your
Can I get my other shoe?
The confrontation ended with officers removing Tiana from the car after she repeatedly refused to show her ID, leading to a vehicle search that uncovered narcotics. Even though her drug charges were later dropped,
You already grabbed the weed?
Yep. saw got out the cut, her out of the cut.
Yep.
And she kept trying to step on the too.
All right. You got anything else on your person?
Can I get my shoe, please, sir?
I'm asking if you have anything else on your
No,
person.
I don't have nothing on my person.
All right, because it gets into jail. It's another felony charge.
Can you tell my, who you get my keys to?
Your brother, like you asked.
Can you tell him to go pick up my girlfriend for her job, Sunshine Learning Center?
Yeah, will
Can
do.
you get my phone out the car?
You can cut her loose. Once Collier's through.
Please, sir.
Shoe.
Please. Ow! Ow! Hey, can you tell that dude right there in that car over there to call my girlfriend right there talking to your buddy?
What have you done that makes you think that I deserve to give you any favors?
Sir, I was just trying to understand.
No, you weren't. You were trying to obstruct because you didn't want to go for that weed.
No. Oh, no. I'll go for the weed. It's not even.
You are going for the weed.
I understand.
And the obstruction.
I was not trying to obstruct you. I promise you. I have been in trouble before, and I have vowed to myself not to get back in trouble, bro.
Well, you broke that vow.
And I know I broke that vow to myself.
So you taking a ride?
Oh, my God. Please, man, I'm begging you. Can you please let me go, man? I was just trying to.
I gave you a million chances to do this cordially, and at every opportunity, you decided to go a different way. So this is the way it's going now.
I'm trying to understand. I don't know my law like you.
I know you don't. That's what I tried to explain to you.
We pull into the yard and stop. He's right there. Probably where them people standing at the end.
That doesn't matter.
It's cool.
Come here.
It's cool. Please go get my girl. Go get Dominique.
Are you okay? You good?
Yeah, thank you.
I will ask you. I took my phone and shit. Like,
Hey, man, you can have the car and everything in it.
oh, the keys is in the back. That's what I'm saying.
Before you pull up, can you tell my brother to go get my girl from Sunshine Learning Center?
We already told her.
Okay, right now.
See?
Follow her. Follow him. Sunshine Learning Center.
There you go.
Hey, we're gonna
Sunshine Learning Center. Go get Dominique.
Quit screaming, please.
Sorry about that.
Tell him to hurry up and go get him.
Quit yelling, please.
Crazy, man.
345, 1915.
Like that.
To TAC, copy beginning.
I ain't attack nobody.
I said TAC, it's short for the Tactical Office. That's where we're gonna go write your report. I ain't say you attacked nobody. You just obstructed. Yeah, you did obstruct.
Y'all, how 5, 6 men gonna help? How I'm attack 5, 6 men, my little short self?
Obstruction without violence is a charge. All right, you can stop talking now. Because you don't know your law. We already established that. You don't know what in the hell you're talking about. You go into jail and you'll find out. It'll all be written in your arrest report for your felony narcotics and your obstruction.
Following the arrest on May 21, 2025, Taina was transported to the county jail for booking and processing. Her early morning claim that the traffic stop was illegal because it occurred in a private driveway was swiftly dismissed, as law enforcement authority to investigate traffic infractions extends to private property when a violation is observed on public roadways. The early morning confrontation escalated significantly when she repeatedly refused to provide her license or exit the vehicle, prompting officers to threaten breaching the window before extracting her. During the subsequent vehicle search, officers uncovered narcotics, adding a felony charge to her initial non-compliance. In court, the body camera footage proved decisive. In July 2025, she was found guilty of resisting an officer without violence, while the felony drug possession charge was ultimately dropped. Taina was sentenced to 36 months of probation, a 6-month driver's license suspension, and ordered to complete 50 hours of community service. Subscribe to Bodycam Real Files for more raw footage and the legal outcomes of high-stakes police encounters.